Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous flower bunch. And can you guess how is it made? So it's made using handmade cold porcelain clay. Can you believe it? The complete frame is handmade, all the flowers are handmade. So I will share each and every step, how to make the background, how to create the small flowers, the daisy flowers, the fillers and the leaves in the detailed procedure. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I am starting with small filler flowers. Here I am taking my handmade white clay. This is the cold porcelain clay, and I have given the link in description box if you want to learn how to create the clay at home. Now here I am taking yellow color chalk pastel or soft pastel and mixing it with my clay to make the yellow color. Mix it really very well, knead it nicely. So the yellow colored clay is ready. Now I am putting it on the surface and using my rolling pin I am just flattening it like this. Then here I am taking one pen cap and just dividing in a small circular clay balls so that we will get each petal in same size. Now just separating these balls like this, taking one of the ball and make a drop shape like this, then flattening it little bit using any pen or any rounded tool like this, and then using Exacto knife just creating some impression like this from center, then coloring from the center towards the outer side using red soft pastel, and the petal is ready. Now I am joining 4 petals to create the flower, and in the center I am adding green color clay ball. And our super cute 4 petal flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of yellow flowers already. Now allow all these flowers to dry completely for one day. Then I am starting with the daisy flowers. So pretty. So again I am taking my yellow color clay. We need small ball. Putting it on the surface. Then using any sharp object you have to just poke the holes all over the surface like this. Here I am showing you how to make the center of daisy flower. Then take any backside of brush or any pen and pinch it exactly in the center to create the hole, and then we have to make small holes inside the center part as well. Then I am coloring this using soft pastel in orange color and little bit of green in the center, and the center of our daisy flower is ready. Then to make petal, here I am taking white clay, just little bit of quantity, rolling it on my palm like this, like a long teardrop shape, then creating one impression of line exactly in the center of petal from backside of Exacto knife, and your single petal for daisy flower is ready. Just curving it little bit like this and allow it to dry for few hours. So I have already created lots of petals to create my daisy flower. These are semi-dried. And after drying, this clay shrinks little bit, so you have to wait until all petals get the same size. Then on the back side of our center adding glue and start attaching these petals like this. My petals are still flexible, it's not completely dried, so you can manipulate the shape easily and just stick it like this one by one. Then to secure all the petals from backside, I am adding one small ball of white clay like this and allow it to dry. So the daisy flower is ready and I have just flipped it over, and with a similar method I have prepared 2 more daisy flowers. All 3 flowers are ready. They are looking absolutely stunning. Then I am starting with smallest filler flower in pink color. So just taking little bit of pink color on the surface, flattening it, and I have this 8 petal daisy flower cutter. So I am just cutting some flowers like this. Then taking one of the flower on my hand and making 8 cut impression using my Exacto knife. Then adding little bit of red soft pastel in the center to add little depth, and then exactly in the center I am adding one small clay ball in red color. So flower is ready. Just pinching on the top using pencil, and with the same method I have prepared lots of flowers. Then proceeding for the filler flower. Here I am taking peach color clay, just rolling it on my palm. We have to take very little quantity. Just taking one floral wire, add little glue and stick it from the bottom. Then again taking red soft pastel and doing little shading from the bottom towards the top side. And our super cute filler flower is also ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of fillers already. Allow it to dry. Then to create leaf, here I am taking light green color clay. Just taking a small ball. Make a leaf shape like this. And then we have to just pinch from both the sides to give clay real leaf effect. And the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves already. Then to make smallest leaves, here I am taking dark green color clay, just rolling it on my palm, little bit of quantity. Make a leaf shape, just flattening it, and voila, the small leaf is ready. Pretty simple. Making a straight line in the center to give realistic leaf effect. And with the same method, I have prepared some more dark green color leaves already. So these are also done. So all our shapes are ready. Now it's time to create the base. And here I am taking 18 by 18 centimeter white color cardstock. This is 300 GSM cardstock. And before starting with our all arrangement, I am going to create my own pattern paper matching with my clay flowers. So here I am making some daisy flowers in the base. And why I am doing this step? Because I wanted to give my flower bunch the realistic look. It should look like there are lots of flowers in the background. Some are in the front, some are in the 3D shape, and some are on the backdrop. So to give that realistic look, I am doing the process of painting little bit before adding my clay flowers. You can simply skip this step, but I thought it will give realistic depth to your composition. So here I am taking simple watercolors and making same flowers which I have created for my clay flowers, like daisy one, yellow filler flowers, pink fillers, and some leaves. So quickly doing the painting work. Then to merge my design with the background, here I am taking this beautiful stencil and taking green color distressing and blending tool, and just from the center towards the outer side I am blending with my green paint, so it will have nice shaded background with the blended and stenciled effect. You can use any kind of stencil, whatever you have, whatever design you have, it will look nice. And with the same method I am going to cover remaining parts. So our base is completely ready, and now it's time to arrange our handmade clay flowers on top of the painting part. So starting with the daisy, and then one by one I am going to arrange the remaining flowers and leaves. And then at the end I am tucking these buds or fillers between the small filler flowers and beneath the leaves. And this is ready. Then I'm adding some black color splashes here and there just to give little vintage shabby look. And then at the end I am adding these water droplets to give realistic look to our flower bunch. And I am adding in 3 different sizes here and there. Some are on the flowers, some are on the leaves, and some are on the background. So cute. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. And voila, your beautiful flower arrangement is completely ready. I am going to use this as my wall decor, but you can use this composition to decorate gift boxes, to create photo frames, or you can also use this to decorate envelopes. So there are endless possibilities to use your creativity to decorate your projects. And here I have just framed it inside my 3D shadow box frame to protect it from dust, and this is looking absolutely stunning. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.